Let's do question 213. Calculate the value of n for which Tn is 517. Right, so it means we're still using Tn. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 d. So our term is 517. Then 517 is term number what? We're finding n here. So our term is 517, right, is equal to our A. Our A is what? Is 7. Then plus n minus 1. N, that's what we're looking for. N minus 1. And then difference is 5. Okay. You can distribute 5 here. Get 517 is equal to 7 plus 5n. And then minus 5. Right, 517 is equal to 5n plus 2. Right, let's subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. 515 is equal to 5n, and then therefore n is equal to 103 after dividing by 5 on both sides of the equation. So 517 is term number 103.